All right. Our first awards that we're going to give out today are for the Kiwanis Terrific Kids Awards. These are our character trait awards. And in the last month, teachers were looking for students who exhibit the trait of being cooperative. These awards are given to 2 students from each class, chosen by their classroom teacher. And we do have a Kiwanis member here to help us recognize you today. So if you hear your name called, you're going to please come up front. We're going to ask that you stand up here so that we can take your picture at the end. Remember, we are not clapping until we have everybody up here. Okay? Thank you. All right. So, I need the following people to come up to the front. I need Kendall Griffin, Brody Roth, Ryder Bright, Renly Vassar, Jameson Hunter, Aislinn Zuniga, Camden Cooper, Delaney Bearden, Everly Oldham, Ricky Gutierrez, Raylan Villanueva, Camden Schnuth, Everly Blowers, and Colt Litchfield. Those are our second graders. These are second graders, yeah. It's going to be a long one. There you go. And then I need Bo Jones, Samuel Irvin. Sorry. Skylar Selman, Xander Long, Stephanie Sanchez Pena, Antonio Madrano, Asa Cantrell, Serenity Long, Ada Killingsworth, Zach Pirtle, Ava McMullen, Colton Weston, Skylar Fiddler, Colton Bragg. Thank you, first graders. And then kindergartners. Tommy Stevens, Cash Chenoweth, Kason Bailey, Kaiser Setzinger, Penny Bryant, Lily Hochholter, Karsten Koffel, Naomi Braxton, Noah Berschlavit, Jenna Ray Wheeldon, Braxton Hornbeck Prince, Ellie Dunbar, and Jeremy Miller. Congratulations. And congratulations to all those Kiwanis Award winners. Next, we are going to invite our specials teachers up to tell us a little bit about the awards they're presenting and announce their recipients.
All right, so I am Miss Holman, and I am your art teacher. And so the classes that Miss Holman has chosen for Art Award, for kindergarten, Mrs. Caldwell's class. For first grade, Miss Mitchell's class. And for second grade, Miss Uriosti's class. I am also Mrs. Lallman, and as your librarian, she has chosen, give me like a quick little drum roll on your laps. Here we go, get it going, there we go. Okay, she has chosen Mrs. Bross's class. So nice job, Miss Bross's
class. All right, here are my choices for the counseling awards. Put your hands up. So I always look for 3 things. I always look for classes that come in quietly, that leave quietly, and follow directions and be good listeners during our lessons. So for kindergarten, I picked Mrs. Caldwell's class. For first grade, I picked Mrs. Wilson's class. And for second grade, I picked Mrs. Singenthaler's class. Good job, guys.
Okay, we have 3 musicians of the month. In first grade, we have Liberty Barnett. Second grade, Maylee and Gracia. And kindergarten, Penelope Britton. Would you 3 please come forward? Liberty Barnett, Maylee and Gracia, and Penelope Britton.
For the month of February. So the kindergarten class winner is Miss Bowman's class. The first grade class winner is Miss Brown's class. And the second grade class winner is Miss Pierce's class.
If you can hear my voice, touch your head, touch your nose, touch your cheeks, touch your ears, touch your nose, not pick your nose, touch it, touch your lips. Okay, voice is off. All right, so now I'm going to present our mathematicians of the month. And remember, this award is given to one student per class chosen by their classroom teacher who has done an outstanding job within math the past 2 months. So whether they're doing really well participating on assignments or practice, or they've gone above and beyond to achieve more. So if you hear your name, then you can stand up and we'll take your picture, then we'll get your award afterwards, okay? For second grade, we have Isabella Gailey, Christian Snow, Avery Fordyce, Cooper Saunders, Caden Garlock, Odin Gafford, and Cortez Gonzalez. That's our second grade. You can clap for them real quick if you like. Then for first grade, we have Austin Harris, Elias Linder, Loree Waite, Ivory Smith, Ren Crutchfield, Graham Doherty, Gunnar Goucher, and Ben Gensel. Friends, we need to be quiet so we can hear our kindergartens. For kindergarten, we have Liam Gailey, Malik Sigmund, Javen Burt, Lola Winchell, Connor Warren, Layla Perez, and Kaiser Cantrell. Those are our mathematicians of the month. Congrats, guys.
The next award that we're going to present is going to the Wildcats of the Month. This award is given to 2 students in each grade level. So 2 kindergartners, 2 first graders, 2 second graders, who have done a great job of being strong role models for their peers. Okay. Eyes up here, please, guys. Now listen, these students are going to they are strong role models for their peers, a caring classmate, an excited learner, and they all around demonstrate what it means to be a Wildcat. In addition to their certificates, the Wildcats of the Month will have a special lunch with Mr. Hall and myself, where you will get a little ice cream treat that day as well. So if you hear your name called, you are going to come up to get your award. So I need... Sorry, I can't find my... There we go. My people. All right, I need to have Caleb Murphy, Amari Jones, Emma Dubinsky, Lila Dubray, Elias Evans, Lucas Holt, and Reese Wolf. Up here. Okay, thank you. Our last individual award is the Service Above Self Award. This award is sponsored by the Harrisonville Rotary Club, and this award goes to one second grader who gives back in some ways to our school or community. The Service Above Self Award for, oh wait. Did we not do this one last time? Maybe not. Was the Service Above Self Award winner is Ryder Bright from Miss Siegenthaler's class. Now, our last activity, or our last award, or our last thing to do before we close out our assembly is take some time to recognize some standout classes in the lunchroom. So we have gotten, teachers are looking for names on the board that we're going to be looking to recognize for very well-behaved classrooms. A couple of things, kiddos. As we are in the lunchroom, I've been in the lunchroom a lot this week as we've had people in and out. Okay, it is important that to earn that award, we're making sure we follow the lunchroom rules. Okay, so let me see, let me get our spinner. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can't be good listeners, we're going to skip this part today. Okay, it is important that we be good listeners. Okay, I need everybody's attention. Sorry, I'm just waiting for Mr. Hall because he has the stuff that we need to be able to do this part. So please listen. Okay, oh, there we go. Miss Souther got it for us. All right, so the first one that I'm looking for, Mr. Hall already spun for us, so we didn't have to take our time to do that, make sure we had, so I'm looking for F3. So F3 is Miss Wilson's class. So Miss Wilson, if you'll send us one kiddo. Oh, I'm not done yet, and now here's the next one. Listen, come on up, sugar. And then I'm looking for D4. D4, Miss Gunderson, or no, Miss Frost. Okay, here's the last one. Are we ready? Last one. D6. D6, Miss Gerke. Okay, now listen, one thing we're not gonna do. Are you listening? Are you listening? Okay, one thing we're not gonna do is we're not gonna chant and holler. We're not doing that. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. We are not gonna chant and holler. We're gonna get excited when we spin and get whatever we get, but we are not gonna chant and holler. We can clap appropriately. All right, you wanna spin first? Okay, here we go. Good job, thank you. Popcorn party! Popcorn party! Okay, Annabelle. HES, listen. Listen. Thank you so much for attending and being such good listeners.